this is Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Today we're doing a short video for DS1500 Xtreme coating. Our DS1500 Xtreme, this is our top coating. Has a 7-year, 85,000 mile warranty, reports to CARFAX. It's top on the hydrophobic scale with 110 water angle. It's top on the oleophobic scale. Although it's a technical product, you should be certified to use it. So the car we're using has already been washed, decon, and clayed to remove all the contaminants off the surface of the paint. The paint has also been corrected, so now we can go ahead and start laying down the coating. Before you start, you need to do a couple of important steps. First of all, you need to use our glass and panel prep to clean the paint of any leftover polish or silicones. In my opinion, this is the most important step before you lay down any coating to ensure that you're applying the coating directly to the paint with no impurity. So be very diligent in this step. All right, so we're gonna use DuraSlic panel prep to clear off this panel. We're gonna apply it to the towel first. I'm gonna generously apply it directly to the panel. Okay, you can see it start finding stuff that it needs to get through. Okay, I'm gonna take our prime towel, gently wipe it down. Okay, we're gonna give it a chance to start evaporating away. You can see right here, it's starting to open up. Okay, give it about 30 seconds. I'm gonna gently just clear off the panel. Okay, now you can see we have nothing between the coating and the paint. So now let's go ahead and take out the coating and shake it well. Remove the applicator provided in the kit and you're ready to start your installation. For video purposes, we'll use just the hood of the car to show the installation. You can translate this installation technique to the rest of the vehicle. Take your coating and apply it to the applicator. Make sure you have no dry areas on the applicator to ensure an even full coverage coat. The test spot will help you measure your flash or open time. It will depend on the environment that you're installing it in. A test spot should be a 2 by 2 foot area. Using the prime side of the applicator, apply the coating in a crosshatch pattern in your test spot. Watch for the coating to show an oil slick look. With this coating, it can sometimes be difficult to see the flash. So make sure your flash time is no longer than 2.5 minutes. You'll notice when removing the coating, you can do this with just one towel. If done correctly, the paint should be tacky. Now you've determined your flash time. Apply the coating to the rest of the vehicle. Don't take on more than one panel at a time with Xtreme. If this is a larger door or fender, work only half at a time. If you work on too much at a time, you'll get behind. This can lead to high spots or having to use too much force to remove the coating and cause scratches in your already corrected finish. Work around the vehicle from driver's side to passenger side until the vehicle is completed. This demo will show how you can easily add Super Slick technology to an existing coating. Take your application towel and grab your bottle of FlowX. Prime the towel with the product. It should take about 4 to 5 sprays to saturate the towel. To prepare, use a pH neutral soap and check for any damages to the coating. If everything is good with the coating, you can go ahead and apply the FlowX Top Coat to the coating. Using a primed application towel, spread the FlowX across the panel. Make sure that you completely cover the entire panel so FlowX can evenly adhere to the coating. Once it has a chance to flash in around 35 seconds to a minute, use your dry polishing towel to level off FlowX and move on to the rest of the vehicle. Work one panel at a time. FlowX not only adds Super Slick technology to any coating, this will help sheet water and stretch out the time between washes. So why DuraSlic? Well, we've been doing coatings for over 20 years now in the electronics industry, and we've taken that technology and moved into the automotive industry. So we listen to our customers and their feedback is super important in developing coatings or improving our existing coatings. We can make these changes on the fly because we actually make the coating. We employ the chemist We have it right here in America, so we can do it quickly. With DuraSlic, you're getting more than just a coating. We have really good customer service. In our test process, we're top in the industry. We're super hydrophobic. We have oleophobicity, which most coatings don't supply. Most of all, we're made here in America. Once again, I'm Brian from DuraSlic Ceramic Coatings. Thanks for watching these videos. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below.